Wavve Boating community. It's Kayla here. I'm Wavve's Director of Customer Success, and today I'm here to make sure you know how to use our integrated Wavve weather and wind forecast. So I'm going to open up the app and please follow along. So the bar down here at the bottom has our current temperature and wind. We're going to go ahead and tap that, and it's going to pop open the full wind weather wave tool. So right off the bat, we're getting sort of all of our key points. We've got our temperature, we've got wind and wind speed, wind direction, what we're doing in terms of wind gusts, our sunset time, our wave height, as well as our wave period. We also pull in applicable weather alerts. So actually where I am right now, not the greatest day to be boating. And I can actually see that in the hourly view as well. You can see that I've got some orange in my wind here, which is indicating that, you know, things are getting a little more serious. This can get to a red color, which would mean, you know, you need to take even more pause before heading out. As I scroll along and get further along in the day, you can see it goes back to sort of the default blue color, which would be more indicative of a fair weather day. I'm going to actually just pan around here and get to a bigger body of water. We'll pop in here and take a look again. So that's where we're seeing some pretty significant wave heights as well, and sort of how the day is shaping up on the water. Ooh, there's a red one. So we do need to be pretty careful about what we're doing today. You are seeing the hourly by hourly view. This does give you a 7-day forecast. So if I flip ahead to Friday, when I'm actually planning on going boating, I can see that things are looking quite a bit more favorable. So we're going to pop this down, and we'll actually take a look at some other areas as well. So I'll pop over to Myrtle Beach now, and this is very cool. So as you pan around the map or go to different locations, you can then see the forecast in real time for this specific area as well. So taking a look at Myrtle Beach, oh, they're not looking so great. They have a little weather alert as well. Oh, a tornado warning, wonderful. But as I can scroll through, I can kind of go and get that full view 7 days out, again, hour by hour, which is really helpful. Another very cool feature that we've added in the last year, I believe, is the wind overlay. So these particles that you see shooting across the sky, they are not shooting stars. This is indicative of the weather pattern in the area. And again, just like with the weather, we're able to sort of scroll ahead and see how things are changing hour by hour. This takes you as much as 3 days out. And same thing where you're able to sort of pan around and see how the wind is changing at other times of the day and in other areas. So this is really helpful when you're planning your trips, making sure you're going on the leeward side versus the windward side. A very, very helpful tool for making sure you have a great day on the water. That's sort of the gist of our wind, weather, and wave forecast. It's something that I think can be really addictive if you kind of are interested in learning what the weather patterns are in other areas that you could be boating. But it's also just that great planning tool. You're able to look ahead, see what the weather is going to look like on the weekend, really considering, you know, wind versus wave versus wind gusts. So very, very helpful tool. If we can do anything to help you out with learning this feature or any others, or you just have a question for our team, please reach out to us at community@wavveboating.com. Thank you.